everyone, Gagajoy at Gagajoy's Kitchen. I'm glad you dropped in today. As usual, we've been doing, the last couple of weeks, we've been doing things for Christmas. This week, I'm doing $1 Million Cheeseball. I know you've probably done the $1 Million cheese spread, so I just sort of adopted it into a cheese ball because that sounds real good. Right now, I'm doing the bacon. It takes 8 pieces of bacon. That's really about the only thing you have to do that's of any aggravation or anything is just do the bacon, because the rest of it's very simple. And it's so good. It's one of the better cheese balls that I make. To me, like a cheese ball gets used more than the dip, but I guess everybody's family is different. Okay, let that go for a while. First of all, you just take one 8-ounce package of cream cheese and I'd say about about a quarter cup of mayonnaise. My cream cheese is soft. I left it sitting on the counter for a while. Get that all mixed. I think now that Christmas is getting close, everybody's trying to get everything done. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, next I'm going to put a half a cup of pecans. Now, a lot of people use slivered almonds, but I prefer pecans. So I break it away a little bit. Now, let's put 2 cups of cheddar and 2 cups of white cheese. I just bought them together, so I use it for other things. So I always have the bi-color. It's about 2 cups. Turn my bacon. I'm trying to make sure my bacon's crispy enough. These seem like they are, but these are a little bit hanging on a little bit. Because that's really the main ingredient in your $1 Million salad is the bacon. Because there's plenty of bacon in it. And bacon makes everything better, as we know. When you start seeing the bubbles, that means most of the fat is rendered out of your bacon. Well, we're just stirring now and getting everything mixed good. My bacon's cooling, so we're just about ready to put it in. And I'm going to put just a little bit of Creole seasoning instead of maybe a half teaspoon. And the green onions. The green onions make this so much, gives it so much flavor. Well, I'm getting my bacon ready now. I'm surprised we got it at all, because everybody loves bacon and are always wanting to sample it. coming to the good part. Get this incorporated. Oh, I don't need the base. I saw a lady one time do this with a hand mixer, and I'm going, I don't know if I do that or not, but she did. I don't know how it turned out for her. Okay, now I'm forming my cheese ball into a ball. That's why you call it a cheese ball. Now I'm going to roll them in, now I'm going to roll in pecans. Resize it. Now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator overnight. Then tomorrow I'll put it in my cheese keeper. Our cheese ball is finished, and I'm getting, like I said, I'm getting ready to put it in the refrigerator to cool in the morning. Would you do me a favor? We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Would you subscribe, ring that bell so we can get there? And I hope if you're preparing for Christmas, you have a Merry Christmas, and remember the joy. We'll see you soon.